Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome class 7. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, sets. What is a set? A set is a collection of well-defined objects. For example, a set of animals, the set of teachers teaching you, the set of letters in the word cricket. The books that are fun to read, the movies that are good. These are not well-defined collections and therefore these are not set. These are well-defined collections, so these are sets. Now sets can be specified by any of the following methods. There are three methods. First is description method, second is tabular form or the roster method, third is rule method or set builder method. Now notations, how we denote the set. The sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B and C, etc. Right? Now this symbol, you can see this symbol. This symbol means belongs to, and this symbol means does not belong to. For example, X belongs to S. Here X is an element of set S, or we can say X belongs to S. X is an element of set S, or you can say X belongs to S. And here X does not belong to S. It means X is not an element of S, or X does not belong to S. Now first method is description method. In this method we write a description of the members of the set, stating clearly their common property. The description method is usually enclosed in braces. See this example. Even number less than 12. This is a description form. Okay, so even number less than 12 means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now see this question. Write A, E, I, O, U in description form. So description form of this set is vowels of the English alphabet. Understood? Now next method is tabulation form or the roster method. In this method we list all the members of the set and separate them by commas. The list is enclosed within the braces. For example, the set of prime number less than 15. So what you all know what are prime numbers? So A is equals to braces 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. This is your tabulation form or the roster method. See the second example. The set of letters in the word remember. So C is equals to REMB. Now what you have to note in this, that repetition is not done while listing the elements. In this word there are 2M, 3E. So we do not repeat the letters when we write in the form of set. So R, E, M and B. This is the set C. The name of this set is C, and always the member elements are enclosed within a braces. Third, rule method or set builder form. In this method we write a variable, say X, representing any member of the set, put the vertical or the colon which stands for the words such that. This vertical line or this colon line means such that. We state the property which is characteristic of all the objects of the set. Understand with the example. See this example 1. The set E of days of the week. There is a set E. So E is equals to, take any variable. Here we have taken D. So D such that D is a day of the week. This is your rule method, or you can say this is set builder form. Second example, the set A of natural number less than 20. So set A. So A is equals to, take any variable x. X is such that x is a natural number. It is given x is a natural number and x is less than 20. Clear? This is set builder form. Next, see some examples. In this question, write down the following set in the description form. Tuesday and Thursday. So the description form of this set is the set of days of the week beginning with the letter T. Okay? See this example. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is the set of non-zero multiples of 5 less than 26. Here the maximum number is 25, right? So this is a non-zero multiples of 5 less than 26. Next question, list the following sets in roster form. So A is equals to x is such that x is a non-zero multiple of 2 less than 11. So roster form is A is equals to non-zero multiple of 2. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are the multiples of 2. But we have to write the multiples which are less than 11. So the multiples of 2 which are less than 11 are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. See the next example. C is equals to x is such that x is a square number less than 20. So square numbers are 4, 9, 16, right? 25. These are square numbers, but we have to write less than 20. So C is equals to 1, 4, 9 and 16. This is your roster form. Now next is list the following sets in set builder form. Now what is given here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So these numbers are multiples of 2, right? When we multiply 2 multiplied by 1, you get 2. 2 multiplied by 2, you get 4. 2 multiplied by 3, you get 6. 2 multiplied by 4, you get 8. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 7, 14, right? So these numbers are the multiples of 2. So x is such that x is equals to 2n. 2n means what? 2 multiplied by n, right? So where n is a natural number and n is less than equals to 7. See here n is 7 which is equals to 14 and the last element is 14. So n is less than and equals to 7. N belongs to natural number because n, the value of the first value of this n is 1. That's why we have written here n belongs to natural number. If we get the value of n 0, then we will write here n belongs to whole number. But the first value of n is 1. So we are writing n belongs to natural number. Next example, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5 and so on till 1 upon 10. So here you can see x is such that x is equals to 1 upon n plus 1. Now let's take it. 1 upon n plus 1. So first element is 1 by 3. That means 1 upon 2 plus 1. The value of n is 2. The first value of n is 2. When we put n is equals to 3, what we get? 1 upon 3 plus 1. We get 1 upon 4. Right? Similarly, when we get n is equals to 4, when we put the value of 4 here, we get 1 upon 5. Similarly, when we put n is equals to 9, so what we get? 1 upon 9 plus 1, we get 1 upon 10. This is the last term of our set. So, x is such that x is equals to 1 upon n plus 1, where n belongs to natural number and n is less than equals to 2, right? Because the first value of n is 2. So n is greater than and equals to 2, and the last value of n is 9. So n is less than equals to 9. This is how we write set builder form.